Good morning, students of class 8. Welcome back to the e-classes. Today we'll do science chapter 1, production, crop production and management. So look at the points over here. I have written certain points. In our next class we'll do chapter 2. Today it's a very short chapter. Now let me explain in short on the board. Now look at number 1, crop. What is called a crop? Crop means the same kind of crops, same kind of plants grown on a large scale. The food crops, the plants that produces food and it is grown on a large scale. That is called the crop. Number 2, classification of crops on the basis of uses and purpose, on the basis of season. Classification means grouping of crops. We grow various type of crops. Some are food crops, some are cash crops, some are seasonal crops, kharif crops, rabi crops and so on. So now classification on the basis of uses or purpose. For what purpose it is grown? Number 1, food crops. We grow crops to consume, to fulfill our basic need, that is food, such as rice, wheat and maize. They are food crops. And the next type of crops are cash crops, such as cotton, tea, rubber. They are also called commercial crops. We grow them in order to sell them, in order to earn money. We consume some, but rest we sell them in the market. They are called cash crops. Cotton, tea, rubber, sugarcane, jute, etc. are all cash crops. This is according to on the basis of uses or purpose. Uses, we use these things, these crops to consume and for purpose to sell in the market. According to the season, the crops can be divided into, according to seasons, kharif crop. Kharif means during the rainy season, the crops are grown. They are called kharif crops. And number 2, rabi crops. They are grown during the winter season. Kharif crop, rainy season, that is rice, maize, sugarcane, etc. They are grown during the rainy season. So rabi crops, they are grown during the winter season, such as gram, mustard, wheat, peas, gram, etc. They are grown during the winter season. They are called rabi crops during the winter season. During the rainy season, they are called kharif crops, and crops are of another types according to the uses and purpose, food crops and cash crops. So these are the groupings, classification of crops. Now we'll talk about the production, basic practices for crop production. So human beings, they grow food crops, but they have to follow certain methods, certain process, certain practices. First, number 1, soil has to be prepared. Soil preparation, the first method. Second, seed selection. You cannot grow the crop with the spoiled seeds or damaged seeds. You need to have good quality seeds. So seed selection is second. Sowing seeds. Number 4, add manure. To add the fertility, to increase the fertility of the soil, we use manure, organic manure from cow dung and so on, from plant parts, decayed plant parts, that are organic manure. And another one is fertilizers, which is prepared in the factory, that is called fertilizers. So manure and fertilizer, it's a different thing. They act as the same, but their origins are different. Manure are organic, and fertilizers are artificial. So we add manure or fertilizer to increase the fertility of the soil. Now next one, irrigation. We need to irrigate the land if there is no rain. During the shortage of rain, farmers, they irrigate their fields. Next, crop protection. The crop has to be protected. It has to be looked after. Number 7, harvesting. Once the crop is ripe, it has to be harvested. Now next, number 8, it has to be stored safely in a dry place, protected from rain, protected from insects and pests. So storage, these are the methods, practices followed by the farmers while growing the crops. It's a long process, a very tiring. Then by looking at this, we can understand how hard the farmers work in order to grow the crops for us. These are all for lesson 1. These are the points. Once you get the books, you can go through the books and understand. And in lesson 2, microorganisms, friend and foe. Foe means enemy. Microorganisms, the world is full of microorganisms. Some of them are useful, some of them are harmful. So we'll talk about these microorganisms in our next classes. Thank you very much for watching this class, and I hope you are doing your regular studies in the morning and evening. Do not waste your time. Do not go outside. Stay safe. Do your writing and reading as well at home. The time is running out. You must not waste your time. Assignments are given. You open YouTube, search Greenland Online Portal, and the assignments for students are given. There you open that, then you can see them. Assignments are given in grammar also, in science also. I will give you later on certain tasks to do it. Certain meanings also I will provide. But you have to keep on reading and use your time wisely at home. So thank you very much for watching the e-classes. We'll meet in the next class to do chapter 2, microorganisms, friend and foe. So we'll do that. Thank you very much.